So you want to know how fast you are at typing and see where you actually stack up against everyone else. The easiest way to find out is searching for typing test, or just going straight to sites like 10 Fast Fingers or typing.com. These places will measure your words per minute pretty accurately. You'll see some kind of start test button on the main page. Hit that and a chunk of text pops up that you need to type exactly as you see it. Just focus on getting into a rhythm at first, instead of freaking out about every little mistake you make. Most of these tests run for a minute or two, while they track how fast and accurate you're being. When time's up, you get your final numbers showing your speed, how accurate you were, and sometimes they'll adjust your score based on errors. Now here's what those numbers actually tell you. If you're hitting 20 to 30 words per minute, you're basically still learning. Around 40 is pretty normal for most people. Get up to 60 or 70 and you're definitely fast. Anything over 80 means you're legitimately quick at this. But speed isn't everything, because accuracy matters just as much. You want to hit at least 95% accuracy, since making a bunch of mistakes while typing fast actually makes you slower than just typing steady with fewer errors. Taking the test a few times helps you get better. Here's something that really works, even though it feels weird at first. Stop looking at your keyboard. Keep your eyes on the screen and just trust that your fingers know where the keys are. It's awkward for a while, but it's honestly the fastest way to build real speed. Some of these sites will save your scores automatically, so you can see your progress. That's basically how you figure out exactly how fast you type and start getting better at it.